Fix my problem. Hi Bestie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber and I'm an artist and business owner. I currently own Artfully Divine LLC, which is a sticker business based off of the everyday art that I create. I do everything by hand and done through me. I'm a one-woman show currently. So in today's episode, I wanted to show you all my
chaotic process
of creating, packing, and shipping an Etsy order to a very sweet customer. And if this is something that you're interested in, please stay tuned and let's get into this video. This is all where I keep all my inventory and stuff. It's not very organized, but eventually when I get more stuff, one of these days I'm actually going to organize it very well. But I have just one medium sticker, so I think I'm going to go ahead and make some more of these stickers just for her order. My boyfriend these flowers earlier. While that's printing, since I redid the whole template, I'm actually going to transfer the template from my Acer to my MacBook because for some reason the Mac connects better to my silhouette and it doesn't pause out as much, so it's just so much easier that way. So we're just going to go ahead and put it onto just a really quick external hard drive. Oh no, what's happening? It wouldn't be a business if something didn't go wrong, right? Every time they need something to work. Fix my problem. Fix it. I think it's fixed. It looks pretty good. Hey. Laminate. This is always a little bit too big, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Too much stuff on my desk. I'm getting overwhelmed. Line this up with the registration marks just so that it's kind of like an even level. Right now I'm sending a test. It's supposed to have like the shape, so it's supposed to cut out this side and this side. I feel like it's pretty solid. Of course, saying that it's unavailable. Mid-cut. Bro, why? Literally why? Why? The next day. I just finished creating and packing the Etsy sticker order last night and I'm about to head into work to my full-time job. So before I go ahead and head into my job, I'm gonna go ahead and stop at the post office and drop off the order and let's go. my microphone just died, so I apologize for the audio. That's gonna be probably horrendous in this video right now because my AC is going because it's hot. But thank you all so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. If this is something that you like, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help in growing this community and growing this channel. And if there's something that you saw that popped out to you that you really liked in this video, or if you have any thoughts about what you want to see or anything, go ahead and leave it down in the comments down below. And also, I opened up our community forum, so if you're interested in going through that and putting a comment there, that would be awesome. I didn't even know that the community thread was really a thing. So we can go ahead and chat through there. It's basically like a mini Twitter, I want to say, or a mini chat room. Maybe it's like a Discord kind of thing, and we can go ahead and chat about like whatever on there. I will be leaving posts and comments or whatever over there. But yeah, I thought that was really cool that it's a way for us to chat even further on this platform, so go ahead and check that out. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and until next week, I'll see you folks later. Bye.